Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we're going to be cutting the garlic scapes. Okay guys, so just look at these potatoes. They're almost taller than me. I'm like actually blood. Just like pretty big potatoes. I bet we're going to be having some good ones. This is our multi-bed. Jeez Louise, man. These things are through the roof. Man, oh man. And then we got our store-bought onions. They ain't doing that good, but I will give them time. And then over here we got some tomatoes. And then we got some flowers, some peppers, and then we got some zucchini. Hey guys, since we're here, let's clip these tomatoes up again. And there we go. Perfecto. We first clipped them when we first planted them, and now we clip them again. Look at the difference. Okay guys, this is why I'm cutting the scapes. So the bulbs go bigger, so then we don't have seeds. So yeah. So we're just gonna keep repeating this until we finally get done. So guys, this is where the seeds would have been, but since we cut them, they're not going to be able to grow anymore. And our garlic bulbs are going to get nice and big. Okay guys, so we're done with all of this. Yeah, I didn't eat it. Okay guys, so by the looks of these, we're gonna be harvesting them. Because by this, you can definitely tell the difference. Because these ones are dying, these ones are not. But up here, you can just see like a little bit of brown. So yeah. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!